Hey, welcome back. Techn Moto's channel. I'm Mike, and I'm gonna go ahead and polish up my rim. I'm gonna try that new method I tried on the forks and see how that turns out. Let's get started. It's got some spots here and there that are not, I don't know what's up with that, but I think that was from the garage. So whatever they used to put the tire on. So it's gonna need to be cleaned up. Take off that old tape from the old weights on the inside of the hub. Not in best shape. It's got some shit on there, I don't know what it is. But there's no pits and there's no nicks or anything like that. So what we're gonna do is lightly sand those areas that I think are issues with 1000 grit sandpaper. Now, if you're doing your rim and it's in worse shape than this, say it's got some nicks in it, some heavy corrosion and whatnot on the aluminum, then you're gonna wanna start with something that's a little rougher. Maybe a 200 or a 300 grit sandpaper, and then work your way up to 1000. So say you start with a 300, you know, then go to a 600, then go to like an 800, and then work up to 1000. So your final sanding will be 1000. Unfortunately, to make aluminum look really good, the sanding is the biggest part of this whole job. To get it to the point where when you polish it, it'll polish right up real quick. All right, so I'm gonna wet sand. Now this is gonna be a tedious thing, wet sanding. It's not something that happens in 10 minutes. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish up this wet sanding and I'll show you what it looks like. Looks good. That's with the sandpaper 1000 grit. So she's all set as far as that's concerned. Got the old weight stickers off. Now she just needs to be polished. Okay, now that everything's sanded down and ready to go, I'm going to attempt to do this with my buff and see how good it can come out. We're going to try it out. Alright, Ultra Cut Compound from McGuire's. Shit, it's a little too much. Put some on here. You don't need this much. It's a little accidente. Let's give this a shot with the buff. Let's see if I can get in there with this. Alright, now we're done with that. I'm going to go ahead and just wipe it up a little bit. Now we're going to switch over to the drill. Put the mother's cone on it. And we're going to be using white diamond metal polish. So polish it all off. Doesn't take a whole lot of this stuff. Alright, let's wipe this up and see what it looks like. Yeah, alright, that looks good. I'm happy with that. Let's go hit the other side, then we can wash the wheel. Just using soap and water, dishwasher soap, just to scrub it up. Alright, that's good enough. I don't know if it's coming out good on that camera, the GoPro. I know I've been having problems with the GoPro picking up how good the aluminum looks when I did the forks. Wow, that is gorgeous. Alright folks, I switched over to the iPhone because you can get a better picture of the aluminum with the iPhone. Look how nice that looks. Oh my god, it looks just like chrome. Look at that. Is that not beautiful? That's fantastic. Look at that lip shine. That's amazing. So anyway, coffee break. So there you have it. Tire is polished, looking like new. Looks awesome. I can't ask for anything more. And it's really simple after the sanding is done. Just using a compound, rubbing compound with the white diamond polish. Does for a good job. Really does. All right, folks. Thank you for watching. Help support the channel by subscribing, liking the videos, and sharing them, please. Thank you. You all have a great day.